students. In last class we have solved exercise 3.2. Okay. In today's class we are going to see the next concept is solving equations having the variable on both sides. Variable on both sides. See here, in today's class we are going to see how we are going to solve equations having variable on both sides. Okay, in previous classes we have learned only the variable was used to in the one side, right? Linear expression was on the one side and the constant was on the another side, right? But here we are going to see how we are going to solve equations having the variables on both sides. Okay, see here, suppose one equation I will take, that is 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3. This is one equation. Okay, in last class what we have learned? Only we have learned of equations like this: 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, in last class what we have learned? Only linear expression was on one side and the constant was on the another side. We have solved such types of equations in our last class. But in today's class we are going to see what? Variables on both sides. See, here also variable is there and here also variable is there. Such type of equations, how we are going to solve, we are going to see in the today's class. Okay. Now see here, this is an equation. Okay. How to solve this equation? What we have to do means, we have to take variable on one side. Variable we have to take on one side and the constant we have to take on the another side, and we have to solve that. What we have to do? We have to take variables on one side and constants on another side, and we have to solve then such type of equations. Okay, this is the procedure how we are going to solve the equations if variables are there on both the sides. How we are going to solve means, we are going to take variable on one side and the constants on the another side. Okay, we will solve now one by one. See your first one. Solve 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3. This is one equation, right? In this equation, just what I gave an example, that only. See here, this is an equation. Here variables are there on both the sides. How we are going to solve this here? What I told you? I told you that take variables on one side and constants on another side and solve it. See, what is given here? 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3. This is the given thing. Okay. Now see here 2x, right? Here 2x is there and here x. This x you take this side. Take variables on one side. What it will become? 2x. If you transpose x to the LHS, this is LHS, this is RHS. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay. Take variable on one side. What is that? See here. Transpose this plus x to the LHS. What it will become? Minus x is equal to, here plus 3 is there. Okay. Transpose this minus 3 to the RHS. What it will become? Plus 3. If you transpose means just shifting. Okay. When we will shift, the sign will going to be changed. So what we will write here? Transposing minus 3 to the transposing minus 3 to the RHS, okay, and minus 3 we have transposed to RHS and x to the LHS. Okay, now solve this. 2x minus x is what? X is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is nothing but the solution of this equation. Now, is whatever we got the value, is this is correct? We will check it. This is nothing but the solution of the given equation. Now say check now. X is equal to 6. Okay, what is LHS? LHS is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, 2, here x means 6 minus 3. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 3 is 12 minus 3. It will be 9. Okay, LHS we got 9. Substitute the value whatever you got in RHS. X plus 3. X value we got 6. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Means our answer is what? Correct. Yes or no? One more problem we will see, that is worked problem. Solve 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2 into x minus 14. Okay, see a solution. This is the given thing. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 x minus 14. Okay, now see here. This implies 5x, okay, take variable on one side, that is transposing 3 by 2x to the LHS. If we transpose, the sign will going to be changed. Here nothing is there, means plus will be there. If it come here, means it will become minus 3 by 2x is equal to, take constants on another side. Okay, here 14, here is equal to, is there no? Is equal to minus 14. If you transpose this, here plus 7 by 2 is there, it will become minus 7 by 2. Okay, so this implies, see here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Okay, what is the, to solve this, here denominators are not the same, right? Here denominators are not the same, means what we will do, we have to make it the denominator same. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are 5 2s are 10x minus 3 x is equal to, solve this. See here also denominators are not same, we will make it same. Okay, here 1 is there, here 2 is there. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? It is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are minus 14 2s are 28 minus 7. So this implies, what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. 7x by 2 is equal to, okay, what is minus minus is plus. What is 28 plus 7? Do you know? 28 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. It is minus 35 by 2. Okay. Now see here, we want to know here x value, right? We want to find out the solution here. Here divided by 2, here divided by 2 is there. Okay, what we will do, we will eliminate this 2 from here. How we will eliminate means multiplying both side by 2. So what is that here? This implies 7x by 2 multiply 2 on both sides. Okay, 2 will get cancelled. This implies 7x is equal to, here 2 will get cancelled, it is minus 35. So this implies x is equal to minus 35 by 7. 7 ones are 7 5s are, right? So this implies x is equal to minus 5. Okay, is the solution. Is the solution of given equation. Okay, this is the solution of given equation. Now see here x is equal to minus 5 is the solution, right? Is this answer is correct? What we will do? Just substitute in this values in this LHS part and RHS. See whether LHS is equal to RHS or no. Now say we will check it. Okay, check LHS. What is LHS? 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 5. What is x? X is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 7 by 2. Okay, 5 is a 25. It will be minus 25 plus 7 by 2. So what it will be? Here 1 and 2. Okay, the denominators are 1 and 2, right? We can't simplify this because the denominators are not same. We have to make it same. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are minus 25 2s are is 50 plus 7. Okay. Now see what this will be. Minus plus is minus, right? 50 minus 7. It will be 43 by 2. We got LHS is equal to 43 by 2. Okay. Now see here. Now check for RHS. RHS what was they have given? Minus 14. Now RHS was 3 by 2x minus 14. 3 by 2. What is x value? We got minus 5. Minus 5 minus 14. Okay, a multiplication is there. 3 5s are 15. It is minus 15 by 4 minus 14. Now see here 4 is there, here 1 is there. What is the LCM of 4 and 1? The LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. Okay. Here 1 4s are minus 15. 14 4s are is 14 4s are. It is nothing same. It is 56. Okay. Now see minus minus is plus. What is 56 plus 15? 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. It will be minus 71 by 4. Okay. Next we will go for the exercise problems. So next we are going to solve the exercise based on this, that is exercise 3.3. Okay. Now see here, in exercise 3.3 they have given solve the following equations and check your results. Okay, in exercise 3.3 they are told solve the following equations and check your results. The first one is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, they have given 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now see here, solution. Here 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Just now how we have solved, the same procedure we are going to continue here. Okay. Now see here, we are going to take variables on one side. We are going to take variables on one side, that is here 3x is equal to 2x plus 18 is there, no? Take variables on one side, that is 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Okay, what we have done here? Transposing 2x to the LHS. Transposing 2x to the LHS. If you transpose, the sign will going to be changed. Here plus is there. If you transpose here, it will become minus 2x. What is 3x minus 2x? It is x is equal to 18. This is the solution. Okay. Now what they are told? Check your results. You have to check that. Okay. So they are told to check it. See, LHS is equal to, what is LHS? 3x. 3. In place of x, what is there? 18. So what is 18 3s are? It will be 54. LHS we got 54. Next we substitute in RHS and see the same value. What is that? 2x plus 18. Okay. 2. What x value we got? 18. Plus 18. 18 2s is 36. Plus 18. Now see here, what is 36 plus 18? 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 54. Is this both values are same? Yes. Therefore, whatever we have done, this is correct. Yes or no? In the similar way, we will solve the next problems. Say third one, 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Only few I am going to solve in this exercise. Okay. Now see, solution. Same thing, take variables on one side and the constants on the another side. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay. Take variables on one side, that is 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. What we have done here? Transposing 3x to the LHS. 3x to the LHS. okay, and 9 to the RHS, and 9 to the RHS. Okay. So what is 5x minus 3x? 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equal to, what is 5 minus 9? 5 minus 9 is what? Minus 4. Okay. So 2x is equal to minus 4. See, we want x value. Okay. Dividing both side by, so dividing both side by 2. So divide both side by 2. If we divide both side by 2, okay, here 2 will going to eliminate. We are going to get the value of x. Yes or no? Here 2 will going to get cancelled. It will be x is equal to, see here 2 ones are 2 2s are. So what we can tell here? X value is nothing but so what we got? X is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now see, they told to check, check it. Take LHS. What is LHS? 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9, okay, is equal to 5. What is x here? Minus 2 plus 9. Okay. Here 5 2s are 10. Minus 10 plus 9. Minus plus is minus. 10 minus 9 is 1. Which is the bigger number? 10. 10 has minus sign. For which number the bigger sign is there? No. For that only you have to keep. Now put the substitute x value in RHS and see now. 5 plus 3 of x value we got minus 2. Okay. 5 plus minus is minus. 3 2s are 6. Here plus minus is what? Minus. 6 minus 5 is 1. Which is the bigger number? 6. 6 has minus sign. Therefore it is minus 1. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now we will see the next problem. So only few problems I am solving here. The rest all you have to solve. So fifth one here. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Okay, same thing what we had done now. Now see here, write the given thing. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Now see here, this is the given thing. Okay, now we will transpose this x to the LHS. Okay, now say what it will become? 2x. If you transpose this minus x to the LHS, it will going to 2x plus x is equal to 14. Okay, transpose this minus 1 to the RHS, it will become plus 1. Okay, write here. Transposing minus x to the where? LHS. Transposing minus x to the LHS and minus 1 to the RHS. Okay, transposing minus x to the LHS and minus 1 to the RHS. Now solve this. What is 2x plus x? It is 3x is equal to. What is 14 plus 1? 15. Okay. So this implies 3x is equal to 15. Okay. Now we want the x value, right? What we will do? Divide these both side by 3. What we will write here? Dividing both side by 3. 3 will get cancelled. Here 3 ones are 3 5s are. So this implies x is equal to 5. Okay, they told to check, no, check it. Say substitute this value in the LHS and RHS. If we got the same thing, means whatever we have done, it is correct. Now see, check. Okay, LHS is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, what is x we got here? 5 minus 1. 2 5s are 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Substitute the same value in RHS. What is that? 14 minus x. 14 minus 5 is what? 9. Therefore, what we can write? LHS is equal to RHS. And this is nothing but the solution of the given equation. Now, I will go for the next problem. 6th one I will solve because here it was something different. Say only those problems which are different, that I will solve. Okay, the remaining you have to try it. Now say 6th problem, 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by x minus 1 plus 7. See a solution. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by x is 3x minus 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Okay. First we have to solve this. Next here. First we will solve here. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus plus is, these are constant, no, solve this. Minus plus is minus. 7 minus 3 is 4. Bigger number is plus, therefore it will be plus 4. Okay. Now take variables on one side and the constants on the another side. What it will become? 8x, take this 3x to the LHS and this 4 to the RHS. What it will become? 8x minus 3x is equal to plus 4. If I take this here, it will become minus 4. What is 8x minus 3x? 8x minus 3x is 5x. Okay, is equal to plus minus is minus. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this implies x is equal to 0 by 5 is what? This implies x is equal to 0. Okay. Now see, we got x is equal to 0. This is the what? Solution. Okay. This is the solution of the given equation. Now check it. Check LHS. What is LHS? 8x plus 4. So what is x value? It is 0 plus 4. 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 is what? 4. Okay. Again substitute the same value in RHS. What is that? 3 multiplied by x minus 1 plus 7. 3. What x value we got? 0 minus 1 plus 7. Okay. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 7. 3 ones are 3. Here minus is there, right? When we multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, or first we will treat this as a what? Whole number. If you multiply the two whole numbers, we are getting the product. When plus minus is what? Minus. Okay, positive integer multiplied by negative integer, the answer definitely will be a negative integer. Minus 3 plus 7. What is minus 3 plus 7? It will be 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. We got same, no? Therefore, x is equal to 0 is the solution of the given equation. If it comes out somewhat wrong, it comes here, if LHS is not equal to RHS, at that time we can tell that x is equal to 0 is not a solution of the given equation, but here we got LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we can tell here x is equal to 0 is the solution of the given equation. Okay. Next we see the 7th problem. Say 7th problem. X is equal to 4 by 5 bracket x plus 10. Okay, we have to solve this equation. So what is given? X is equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. Okay, now see here, what we will do is, we will multiply on both side by 5. We will multiply on both side by 5 because we want to eliminate this 5 here. Okay, we will multiply both side by 5. What it will become? 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. What we have to write here? Multiplying both sides by what? 5. If you multiply both sides by 5, what is that here? 5 into x is 5x is equal to 5 will get cancelled because we want to eliminate this 5. Okay, now see, 4 into x is what? 4x plus 4 into 10 is 40. Okay, now take LHS on one side. That will be 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. This concept is simple. Only you have to remember, take LHS on one side and the constants on the another side. Okay. So what is 5x minus 4x? It will be x. X is equal to 40. Okay. We got x is equal to 40. This is nothing but the solution of the given equation. Okay. Now again check it whether it's correct or no. If you got LHS is equal to RHS, this answer is correct. If you won't get LHS is equal to RHS, then this answer will be going to be wrong. Okay. See LHS. LHS is what? This is LHS, right? X. What is X? 40. Take RHS. What is RHS? 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. 4 by 5 x. What is x? Value we got here? 40. 40 plus 10. Okay. It will be 4 by 5 multiplied by 40 plus 10 is what? 50. 5 ones are 5, 10s are 4 10s are is what, students? 40. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Yes or no? Means whatever we have done here, it is correct. Now you see the 8th problem. 2x divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay. Now see here, solution. Write down the given thing, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Take LHS on one side and the RHS on the another side. See here, 2x by 3 I will keep as it is, and 7x by 3 I will transpose this to the LHS, and 1 I will transpose to the RHS. When we are going to transpose, the sign will going to be changed. Here plus 7x by 15 will going to become minus 7x by 15 is equal to, plus 3 will remain as it is. Okay, and a plus 1, if it will go this side, it will become minus 1. Okay, now see here. To simplify this here, the denominators are not the same. What we have to do? We have to make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of 3 and 15. Yes? To make the denominator same, we have to take the LCM. So, what is the LCM of 3 and 15? 3 ones are 3 5s are, right? 5 ones are. What is the LCM? LCM is nothing but 3 multiplied by 5 is nothing but 15. You remember, no? In your lower classes you have done such types of problems, right? Now see. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 15. 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. 15 how much are 15? 15 ones are 15. 2 5s are how much? 2 5s are is 10. 10x minus 7x into 1 is 7x is equal to 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. Good, right? Next here, this implies 10x minus 7x, it is 3x by 15 is equal to 2. So we can cancel here, right? 3 ones are 3 5s are. See student, this chapter is very important. Okay, this is the fundamental concept. To a strong in mathematics, this chapter plays a very important role. Okay, see here, 3 ones are 3 5s are written. This implies x by 5 is equal to 2. Now see, we want the value of x here. We want the value of x. So what you do is, but here 5 is there, right? But here 5 is there. What we will do? To reduce this 5, we want to eliminate this 5 because, now see students, we want to eliminate 5 here. Okay? What we will do? To eliminate this 5, we will multiply both side by 5, right? So what we have done here? Multiplying both sides by 5. Okay, now what will happen? 5 is going to get cancelled. This implies x is equal to 2 5s are 10. So this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. Now we will check this whether this is correct or no. Now take the LHS. LHS is equal to, what is that? 2x by 3 plus 1. Okay. Substitute the value here. Here x is nothing but 10 by 3 plus 1. Okay. 2 tens is what? 20. 20 by 3 plus 1. Now see here, you can't do direct 20 by 3 plus 1. See here, if here nothing is there means 1 will be there. You need to remember this. Okay. If nothing is there means here 1 will be there. So you can't directly add this 20 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 21 by 3. You can't add directly like this. Right. Now see here the LCM, you have to make the denominator same here. If we have a denominator same, we can add directly. Okay, here we can't add. Now say what is the LCM of 3 and 1? Definitely, see here students, you can take LCM of 1 and 100 is 100 only. The LCM of 1 and 1 lakh is 1 lakh only. Okay, here the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3 only. Don't go again solving. Okay, the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3 only. Here it is 3. Now 3 how much are? 3, 3 ones are. Here 1 how much are? 3, 3s are. 20 plus 20 ones are 20. 20 plus 1 3s are 3. So what is that? It is nothing but 23 by 3. Okay. Now we will check for RHS. Take RHS. What is that? 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay. Now substitute here 7. What is x? X is nothing but 10. 10 by 15 plus 3. Now see here. Here bracket means nothing. What the bracket here? Multiplication will be there. Okay. To make our calculation easy, we will cancel here. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So what it is? 7 2s are 14. 14 by 3 plus 3. What is 14 by 3 plus 3? So what it is? We will write here only. It is 14 by 3 and nothing is there means 1 will be there. Okay. Same thing. What is the LCM of 1 and 3? The LCM of 1 and 3 is 3 only. 3 ones are 1 3s are. 14 ones are 14. 14 plus 9. What is 14 plus 9? It will be 23 by 3. This is nothing but RHS. Now we got LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, what we can write? Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Means whatever we have written, this answer is correct. Okay? In the similar manner, we will go for the next problem. We will take the 10th problem. Okay, 9th problem you can solve it. It is similar to like this only. Take 10th problem. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Okay. Takes solution. What is the given thing? 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. This is the given thing. Okay. Now what we have to do here? Take variable on one side. Here plus 5m is there. Take this side. What it will become? 3m minus 5m. Okay. When you take here, when you transpose, the sign will going to be changed. The plus 5m is there. If you take this side, it will become minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay. So this implies plus minus is minus. 5 minus 3 is 2. So minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay. So this implies minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. The same thing I written this stuff. Okay. Now see, we want the value of m here, but here minus 2 is there. Okay. Here minus 2 is there. We will eliminate this minus 2. How? By dividing both sides by minus 2. So what is that? Minus 2m divided by minus 2m divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 8 divided by 5 multiplied by minus 2. Now see, minus 2 will going to get cancelled. Now see here, now this implies m is equal to minus 8 by 5 2s are 10. Okay. So plus into minus is what? Plus into minus is minus. Okay, this implies m is equal to 8 by 10. Okay. So 2 4s are 2 5s are. So this implies m is equal to 4 by 5. So this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. Now they told to check. Say LHS. What is LHS? It is 3m. Okay, 3 multiplied by what is m here? 4 by 5. 3 4s are 12. 12 by 5. LHS we got 12 by 5. Now see for RHS. So what they have given the RHS? 5m minus 8 by 5. Now substitute the value. 5 multiplied by m is nothing but 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 5 5 get cancelled. What is remained? 4 minus 8 by 5. Okay, now see here. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? The LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1 5s are 8, 5 1s are 4 5s are 20. Okay. So next here, what is 20 minus 8? 20 minus 8 is nothing but 12. 12 by 5. Now see here LHS and RHS are same. Therefore, our answer is whatever we got, it is correct. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So this completes your exercise 3.3. Okay. In next class, we are going to discuss some applications based on this. See you in the next class. Thank you.